Welcome to the course, everyone. Now, if you have enrolled for this course or you're into trial member, let me talk about the course and explain you how this course will go and what are the things we have in this course. So let's start with the name of the course. The name of the course is Enterprise Java Spring Microservices. The focus on this course is how can you be an enterprise developer? What are the tools we use there? And you should be able to use those tools once you complete this course. Now, this is a weekday course starting from Monday to Friday, as you can see on the screen, and this will be happening for 6 months. So for 6 months, we will be together in the morning time, and Indian morning time, that is 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. And after this session, if you have any questions and whatever doubts you want to clarify, you can do that after the session, which is from 8:30 IST. And this is going to start from 9th of August, depending upon when you're watching this. Maybe you're watching this after 9th of August. Yeah, so this is going to start from this point. And if you have any queries for this course, you can connect with our team. This is the number. Now, the syllabus is not mentioned here is because this section is for the syllabus when the session gets started. So after 9th of August, when every day we take a session, that will be part of this section here. So once you enroll, you will see that section after each recording. Who are the authors? Now, there are two authors for this course. I'll be there and Heather Abbas. Heather is one of the amazing trainer for Java. And you will see that once you enroll for this course, and you will love his teaching. In case if you feel at any point, or in first 7 days of enrollment, that hey, this is not something I wanted to go for, and if you want to ask for refund, you can do that. So you can just check the FAQs, the refund section is there. Okay, now let's talk about the course. Now, course is starting from 9th of August, and this is our timing. We have talked about this. Now, apart from Java, Spring Microservices, which we will teach you live, there are certain things which you should know as a developer. We can't simply put everything into live, is because then this course will become 2 years of course, and it's difficult to keep a track of 6 months. Let's leave alone 2 years. And that's why you will be getting DSA, JUnit, SQL, Git, Docker, Jenkins, Cloud as a recording. Now, why do we need DSA? To understand how data structures works, what are algorithms. JUnit is for the testing of the application, SQL for database connections, Git to collaborate with your peers, Docker to learn the containerization, Jenkins to build the pipeline, and Cloud for the deployment. So that means when you are building a project, whatever comes in that process of building a project, everything is taken care here. Certificate will be given if you attend the class and complete the assignments. And let's talk about the core topic now. So we are going to start from the basics of Java. Now, if you are new to the programming world, apart from this, we'll also give you few videos to get yourself familiarized with the concepts of programming. And then we can start with the basics of Java. It's not like you should know Java before or any other programming language. You can start from the basic. So these are all basic concepts of Java fundamentals. Then we'll move towards the important concept, which is OOPS, and then we'll focus on arrays, string, interfaces, exception. How do you handle the exception in your application? How do you work with multiple threads to use your complete CPU power? We'll talk about collection. How do you store huge amount of data? We'll talk about files if you want to work with it. And then once we complete all those stuff, we'll move towards the framework. Now, Spring is one of the most famous framework in the industry. In Java also, we have a lot of different frameworks, but then majority of the companies are using Spring. And even if you join a company who is not using Spring, if you know Spring, it is easier to jump to different frameworks. Okay, so we'll start with Spring Core and Spring Boot. They are a bit different, but you will understand that in the course. Then we'll talk about Spring Data JPA, Spring Web MVC, Spring REST, which is RESTful services with Spring, Spring Security, and microservices. So Spring Security is important because that's how you will secure your application, and microservices because that's a new way of development, and the recorded content is mentioned here. Now, once you become a part of this course, it will take some time for you to get used to this schedule every day getting up, but that's how you build a discipline, right? Think about your knowledge or your skill set after 6 months. And once you do this course properly, you will have an edge in the market. So frequently asked questions, FAQs are there. If you want to clarify some of the things, you can just read this and get it clear. So yeah, join the course. Even if you don't enjoy the course, you can ask for the refund till 15th of August. And if you are enrolling after 15th of August, that will be 7. Then you will get refund policy for 7 days. So that's it from this introduction of the course, and see you in the course. I hope you'll enjoy it. Bye-bye.